Jackpot! Free bananas for everyone!
Everyone? Or just me? I found it first!
I stole it faster! What's going on here? Breakfast meeting!
Another experiment in banana psychology.
And the winner is the wind!
That banana owes me breakfast!
You drop it, I keep it. No. See? Sharing is sweeter.
When you fight for food, you lose time. But when you share, you gain friends.
Attention, everyone! Today, we choose our new jungle leader.
Vote for me! Free snacks for everyone!
Vote for me! I'll make everyone smarter!
We'll vote for whoever gives us bananas. Deal.
I promise peace, progress, and popcorn!
Here's my 5-step plan for success.
Step 1. Make it short.
And just like that, democracy went bananas.
Stop the thief! Vote for me instead! The jungle's election just got recounted in the mud.
Looks like everyone won, and lost. Leadership means sharing, not shouting.